Oh no!
When performance hits a thermal wall, the search for an answer begins. At Greatminds, we don't just receive files. We decode challenges. Your blueprint becomes our mission. Every dimension transforms into a machine instruction. Your cooling solutions, crafted here. 5-axis CNC precision machining sets the foundation for millimeter-level mounting accuracy. Heat pipe manufacturing, precision seal for efficient phase change heat transfer. The core component for directed, high-speed heat transfer. Automated welding, high-temperature fusion bonds heat pipes and fins into a single, solid unit. Every weld is a solid bridge for heat transfer. Modular assembly and welding, building a fully integrated cooling system. All components come together as one right here, right now. Precision is measurable, performance is proven. First stop, the in-house quality verification process. And step 2, it's the performance verification in our lab. From a block of aluminum to a promise kept. This is the Greatminds process. Not just making parts, but engineering trust for the world's most demanding technologies.